Have you ever wondered what it means to have the sun in the ninth house in Vedic astrology? This celestial phenomenon is a fascinating spectacle that offers deep insights into your life's journey. The sun, in Vedic astrology, represents the soul, the ego, the father, and the authority figures in one's life. It's the burning ball of fire that fuels life on Earth, and its position in your natal chart can significantly influence your personality and destiny. In the context of Vedic astrology, the sun's placement in the ninth house holds profound significance. The ninth house, often referred to as the house of Dharma, presides over various aspects such as philosophy, religion, distant journeys, advanced education, and law. It is a realm that epitomizes higher knowledge and comprehension. So imagine what transpires when the sun, a celestial body symbolizing the self, finds home in the ninth house, a space dedicated to higher wisdom. This unique dynamic gives birth to individuals who have a natural propensity towards learning and discovery. Such individuals are blessed with a luminous personality, illuminating any environment they step into. They are relentless in their pursuit of wisdom, constantly striving to decipher the complexities of the world around them. The sun's presence in this house shapes their personality and destiny, fostering a constant thirst for knowledge and exploration. The sun in the ninth house bestows a strong moral compass, guiding individuals towards righteousness and honesty. It instills a deep-seated love for philosophy and religion, often leading to a life dedicated to spiritual pursuits or scholarly endeavors. Individuals with the sun in the ninth house are also blessed with a natural flair for teaching and mentoring. They have an innate ability to impart wisdom, often becoming influential figures in their communities. Moreover, it's important to note that the sun in the ninth house can also indicate a strong bond with the father or father figures. It suggests a healthy respect for authority and a deep-rooted desire to uphold traditions and norms. To summarize, the sun in the ninth house in Vedic astrology signifies a life marked by wisdom, exploration, and morality. It creates individuals who are naturally inclined towards higher learning and who possess a deep-seated love for philosophy and religion. These individuals have a strong moral compass and a radiant personality that lights up any room they enter. They are often influential figures in their communities, respected for their wisdom and their ability to teach and mentor others. So, having the sun in the ninth house is a powerful placement indeed. It's a testament to the individual's quest for wisdom, their love for exploration, and their unwavering commitment to uphold righteousness and morality. It's a celestial phenomenon that shapes the individual's life in profound and meaningful ways. This is the magic and mystery of Vedic astrology, where celestial bodies and houses come together to paint a vivid picture of our lives. The sun in the ninth house is one such beautiful brushstroke, illuminating our path towards wisdom and enlightenment. So next time you gaze at the night sky, remember the sun in the ninth house and its profound influence on our lives. It's a celestial spectacle that's as fascinating as it is insightful, and it's just one of the many wonders of Vedic astrology.